First, after logging into the system, you will land on the Quippy exam dashboard. On this dashboard, there are two main sections: exam and practice. The exam section is where teachers create tests for students. The practice section allows you to view students' practice results and progress. On the exam dashboard, you can also see an overview, such as recent exams that have been created. On the left-hand menu, there are several important sections. The exam tab shows all the tests that have been created. The Candidates tab contains the list of students or groups created by the teacher. The question bank is where all the questions are stored and managed for exams. To create an exam, you usually start by creating candidates first. To create candidates, you go to the Candidates section and click on Create List. You simply enter a name for the group and choose the number of candidates. After that, the system will automatically generate a list with the selected number of candidates. Once the candidates are ready, you move to the exam section and click on Create Exam. The exam creation process consists of 6 steps. In the first step, you fill in the basic information. This includes the exam title and the exam type. In the second step, you add a question bank to the exam. There are 3 ways to do this. The first option is to select from My Sets, which are question banks you have already created. The second option is to choose from Official Content, which is pre-made content provided by the Quippy academic team. The third option is to create a new question bank by clicking New Bank. If you choose to create a new bank, you enter the bank name first. Then you click Add Question, input the question content, and create it. After that, you can add it directly to the exam. In the third step, you assign candidates to the exam. You simply select the class or candidate list you created earlier. In the fourth step, you configure the exam settings. Here, you set the start time and end time of the exam. One of the most important settings is proctoring. If you want to enable monitoring during the test, you turn proctoring on. If not, you can leave it off. Proctoring helps ensure that students do not cheat during the exam. When proctoring is enabled, you can also configure additional monitoring options. In the results settings, you can choose how results are released. Students can either see their results immediately after submission or only after the teacher has reviewed and graded them. In the fifth step, you edit the exam instructions. You can either keep the default instructions or customize them as needed. Finally, in the last step, you review all the settings. If everything looks correct, you click Publish Exam. At this point, the exam is successfully created,